Okay, yeah. So before start this session, so I'm just recapping here. So last time what we have discussed, okay. So last time we are discussing about the learning journey of your SAP administrator. So as I mentioned, two peoples are here, like one is the fresher or graduate to hire who are having experience for the RDBMS, like basic fundamentals about the RDBMS, or who are already working from SAP application side, that is going to further SAP basis point of view or ABAP point of view or BW point of view, for the learning journey like HA100, HA200 for administration. Okay, so these all topics are. Now the thing was, I don't choosing my career as an administrator. Let's say I working for the completely for the BW. Okay. Now I want to becoming a so already I have experience in the BW, correct? So now I want to experience into your backend also. So here, what are the courses will be there? Okay, let's say now I want to becoming a HANA modelers. The terminology was different. Okay, means who are already working from the, again I'm specifically mentioned the module here, who are already working for the front end, that is the SAP BWBI. They want to choosing the career as a data application. Already they're working for SAP BWBI for longer. Okay, even currently the trending one is SAP BW for HANA also. Now they want to, this is all front end. So if you do working, you know that if you're working in any SAP provide front end is there, back end is there, correct? So the front end is application, and coming to back end point of view, so it is going to HANA DB. Let's say my current project is working ACC on HANA DB. Our future also had to working with the S4 HANA on top of HANA DB. For this reason, I want to do for the reporting, and I want to working like whatever the things I'm do for application point of view, same thing I want to do the database. So what are the things I want to, like how the learning journey was there? So simply you can say the learning journey of SAP modelers. Okay. Again here, first thing they want to complete for your HA100 course, that is going to for HANA 360-degree overview. This particular course, what are the topic will be discussed, as I mentioned that the overview of HANA DB, how the HANA DB was going to deploy, what are the futures of HANA DB, what are the different ways to deploying, what are the meaning of multi-tenant, what are the versions are there, what are the revision strategy was there, who are involving HANA DB, coming to the modular process, what are the responsibilities. Okay. Once it is completed, so all HA300 series, previously I told that all HA200 series are comes under for the HANA administrator. Same thing here. HANA 300, HA300 point of it is a completely for module. So let's say however, the HA100, sorry. So however, the HA200 is most of the topics. Same thing here. Whenever I'm come to the training from HA300, it is majorly for SAP HANA modeling. Okay, most of the topics are comes under for this modeling. Even if you have e-learning means, so they just course name is the HA300E was there. So e-learning for the HANA modeling. Okay. See here, what other topic will be comes under as per the discussion. Okay. So as I mentioned, it is completely about the HANA modeling. Like this course is providing the deep driven knowledge of SAP HANA modeling, like calculation scenarios, what are the modeling techniques are there, how the performance tuning for tables inside of HANA DB. Let's say database point of administrative do the performance, but coming to the modeling point of view, so XYZ SQL query, it is taking a long, you can simply say expense a SQL statement. So why it is taking this? I want to do further end-to-end analysis tracing. Even you have one concept like partitioning concept is there. Okay, how to do the table partitioning, Okay, this all topics comes under from HA300 itself. Okay, along with you have to build for the end-to-end analytical modeling by using an SAP HANA native capability. Here, you have to understanding about the HANA architecture, how the data will be storing into the row storages. Whenever it is storing at the row storages, what are the impacting on modeling point of view? Again, how to creating the attribute view, analytical view, calculation view, and how the whenever I want to creating any kind of calculation view, how the joins, aggregations, projections, unions, and hierarchy, and what are the again how I can get two formats are I can go for a graphical format or I can go for the SQL scripting point of view. Okay, along with whenever I want to do optimization of optimization performance by using like filter calculation engines, or you can go to the push down approach to the database layer. Okay, along with as I mentioned that you have to go for the data security performance optimization, like how to preparing for plan measure SQL analyzer tracing, along with the SaaS, SAP Analytical Cloud, SAP BO2 like Lumira, Web I analysis for Office, and how to communicate with ABAP on S4 HANA, and how the transportations are happening from development to quality or quality to production. Whenever I want to create a unique package, how I can move by using delivery unit. So you have the concept of delivery unit, and even you have the concept of CTS plus. Basically, CTS is nothing but transfer the data from ABAP to ABAP. So I want to transfer the data from ABAP to non-ABAP. You can go to CTS plus. That is an enhancement of change transfer system. How to deploy your modeling by using a JIT concept. Okay, so these all courses are comes under from your means you can say most of the modeling content. Okay, like the end-to-end modeling of your HANA DB that is comes under from HA 300. Okay, after that again here, as per this here, the next course is going to HA 300. So SAP HANA Advanced Modeling. It is going to SAP HANA Advanced. What are the different like compared to normal one? So how it will be going to different? Okay, Advanced Modeling. And next one it is going to for your HA 302. It is basically for the again as I mentioned that here you can do the modeling by using a SQL scripts, correct? So I want to like SAP by default what kind of SQL script they provided, how to do the modeling by using a SQL scripting. You can go to HA 302. So this is basically for the HANA SQL, HANA SQL scripts. Okay. After completion of this, again data provisioning is then. So that is going to 305. So this is basically for the SAP HANA data provisioning by using you have different replication provisioning tool. You remember maybe the administrators you have idea about this SLT, okay, system landscape transition, or you can go to the PODS, okay, RSDA, RSDA. Okay, so these are the courses even 360 for the HANA performance tuning for modeling. HA215 that is the different, and this is for the completely for the analytical pointer. Okay. So these are the so even we have few more, but I have knowledge about only these three. Okay. Again, HANA 360 like HANA optimizations. Okay, and even 305. Okay, so these all will be comes under forever HANA, yeah, especially for HANA DB model. Now, you have any separate certification for this? Yes, olden days you have certification. But right now, what happens? So they don't have separate certification for this modeling point of view. Okay, C underscore HANA Tech 17. That is will be mostly. But if you come to the, it's a combination not only for one. So if you say that I want to becoming a certificate for HANA modeling is nothing but olden days I'm talking. So that is going to H underscore HC modeling 05. This is certification. But if the both is there, okay. So here the syllabus is like HC300, 301, 302. Okay. And some of the development content that is going to be for 400 series is comes under for the 400 series are comes under for HANA develop. This is the one. But olden days, they are using only means if you are working in any old versions of HANA DB, okay, they have like the all the content as I mentioned, like HA300, 301, 302, 305, 360. These all comes under for the this all comes under from HANA certificate again for modeling certifications. Okay. So this is the learning journey of to becoming a modeling. Okay. So anyone have any questions? No? Okay.